I don't think there's any way in the world that we can lock up or lock out what's coming tomorrow with the weather.
No, we
You can bundle up, but you can't lock up.
That's right, yeah, and we're going to need to bundle up. Heat is on for tomorrow, no question about it, and this colder air is really going to make an impact. Cold air is more dense than warm air, so it can move in so quickly and have a greater impact. So that means we're saying goodbye to the temperatures we had this afternoon, upper 60s to around 70. Man, today was an excellent day, the day that we needed to come 2 days ago, and it just took its sweet time, and now we're going back to the colder temperatures. We're going to definitely have a big change compared to what we had this afternoon. A look outside, if you look very carefully, especially up in the northern sky where the moon is helping to illuminate the sky, you can already notice some of the clouds beginning to move in. That's the beginning stages of our changes. This picture from Longview, look at the satellite sequence. You can notice the low-level cloud cover beginning to pick up. Now the cold front already inside on the west-northwest section of the Metroplex. I'll show you those temperatures here momentarily, but this is just cloud cover moving in for now, but we could see some patchy drizzle develop heading into early tomorrow morning. Right now we are sitting in the 40s, the 50s, and because of the cloud cover, 61 right now the temperature in Palestine. Cold front though approaching near DFW, and notice the temperatures here behind the front. We're talking 40s, and just a couple of counties northwest of Tarrant County already down into the 30s. So this colder air is going to make a big impact as we move into tomorrow. Here's what you need to know. First of all, rain will increase midday into the afternoon tomorrow, certainly by 4 or 5 o'clock. We've got some showers on the radar, and as this happens, temperatures will cool. This will lead to the changeover to snow. Minimal impacts are expected for areas north of I-20. This means that we are expecting snow to fall, but likely to melt initially on contact. Elevated surfaces could have a slightly different problem where those can freeze a little bit quicker than the actual ground surfaces, but most of the snow should melt initially. But that's what we've got to watch for tomorrow, how much colder that temperature is going to get as we see the change over to snow gradually move in. So Futurecast right on track with the cloud cover moving in. So tomorrow morning, some patchy drizzle. It's definitely a colder start when you factor in the north wind that's coming in play. Into the afternoon, showers begin to increase, but some of this may already begin to mix with some wintry precipitation, maybe as early as 2 or 3 o'clock, but certainly 4, 5, 6 o'clock, we've got some steadier bands of precipitation that's coming down, some of this mixing with snow. But notice the freezing line. We're right at about 32, maybe 30 on the northwest side, 33, 34 on the southeast side. So we'll have to watch to see how much of this can accumulate. The snow amounts based off of the model we just showed you does indicate maybe a 1/10 to perhaps up to 3/4 of an inch of snow. Not expecting this to be a significant event. However, we could have some minor travel impacts Friday night into Saturday morning. Speaking of Saturday morning, it is very cold with the clouds clearing out. We've got lows starting down into the 20s. On the 7-day forecast, even though the sun is with us Saturday, we have a difficult time making it to 50 degrees. Sunday's not too bad, mid-60s, and then we're to the 70s. Going to have some warmer weather next week. Deep East Texas, it's mainly rain for you. That 62 falls in the late afternoon. It'll stay cool on Saturday. Then we'll start our next warming trend on Sunday.
Sports right now.